Hi guys! On Instagram, creators' account can be private. If you want to make your account private, first switch back to a personal account. Let me show you how to do this. So let's open the Instagram application from scratch. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right and tap on three bars at the top right to access the settings menu. Now scroll down until you see Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on that. And now tap Switch Account Type. Switch to Personal Account. Confirm your action. Now you can't use your professional dashboard, but you can make your account private. So let's go back to the main settings menu. Now you need to tap on Account Privacy over here. Switch to Private. Confirm your action. And if you wish so, you can review your followers. But I won't do it. If you need to switch back to the creator's account, you need to find the menu item which is named Account Type and Tools. Switch to Professional Accounts. Tap on Next. Select your activity type. Tap on Switch for switching to a professional account makes your profile public. Keep that in mind. It can take up to 30 seconds. As we can see, select Creator or Business. Tap on Next. Close this window. And your account is public and creator's account again. That's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.